Hey students, let's solve one previous question of algorithm. This question was asked in GATE DA 2025, question number 8. Consider a hash table of size 10 with indices 0, 1, 2 till 9 with the hash function h of x equals to 3x mod 10 where linear probing is used to handle collision. The hash table is initially empty, then the following sequence of key is inserted into the hash table 1, 4, 5, 6, 14, 15. The indices where the keys 14 and 15 are stored are respectively, and 4 options are given. Hash table size is 10 and hash function given as 3x mod 10. Now I'll insert these keys into hash table. So 3 multiplied 1 mod 10. 3 mod 10, it will be 3. Now 1 will insert at index 3. Next h of 4 will be 3 multiplied 4 mod 10. 3 multiplied 4 is 12. 12 mod 10 is 2. Next 5. 3 multiplied 5. 15 mod 10 is 5. Next 6. 3 multiplied 6. 18. 18 mod 10 is 8. Let's insert these keys in the hash table. So indexes are starting from 0 till 9. 1 will insert at index 3 and 4 will insert at index 2. 5 will insert at index 5. 6 will insert at index 8. Next we'll insert 14. 3 multiplied 14 mod 10. It's 2. But in 2 already 4 is there. So there will be collision. And it is saying we can handle collision by linear probing. Means we'll see the next free space. Next is 3. At 3, 1 is already there. So it's again collision. Next 4. So we can insert 14 at 4 as it is free. Next is 15. 3 multiplied 15 mod 10. It will be 5. 5 is already filled. There will be a collision. Now next free space is 6. We can insert 15 at 6. And in question it is asking where we can store 14 and 15. 14 can be inserted at index 4 and 15 can inserted at index 6. So answer will be 4 and 6. It's present at option D. That's why answer will be option D. I already discussed hashing. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.